Hi everyone, so this is going to be a super fast video. I'm just going to show you very quickly how you can make yourself an interactive story. And you can do it just in your browser. You don't need to download any software or anything. You can just go to twinery.org up here, and you can download this software and run it all on your computer if you want, but otherwise you can just use it online on your browser, and that's what we're going to do. So on the right here we're going to click use it online. It will go to this page. It says naught stories because we haven't created a story yet, and on the right hand side we're just going to click add story, and we'll call it, asks for the name of the story, we'll call it Penistone Writers. Add that, and instantly you have got an interactive story, or the beginnings of an interactive story. So you can double click on the first scene, and we'll call this scene library because that's obviously where we meet, and we'll put in there you are sitting in the library. So that's just basic text, but you can also put in choices, and they're really simple to put in. So you could say go, and in you push the square brackets, 2 square brackets, and click home, or write home, sorry, close 2 square brackets, and you automatically have a choice there. Your choice is to go home, but we'll give another choice, go to the beach, 2 square brackets to close, and then if we come out of this you'll see instantly those choices have been added as 2 different options or 2 different new scenes. So you can double click to go in there and say you are lying on the beach, and we'll say give some options, say go to 2 square brackets library, and it knows there's a scene beginning of LIB, so you can just double click on that if you want to go to that one and put, or go to we'll make it so you can go backwards and forwards everywhere, so go to the beach. Oops, we'll put that in square brackets, beach, double click if you want, and that automatically puts it in for you. So we go out of that, and you've now got, sorry, I realised we're already at the beach. I've put in beach, so go home, otherwise you're just coming back to the same place. Okay, so, and there you can see you now have arrows going both directions, from the beach to the library, so you can go from the library to the beach, or you can choose to go from the beach to the library, and you can also choose to go from the beach to home. And that's it. That is all you need to do. And if you click the play button here, it started it from where I clicked, so we started it from lying on the beach. You've got the scene there, go to library. If we click on go to library, you are sitting in the library. You can go home, you can go to the beach, and go back to the beach. Got the choice of going to the library or going home, and we didn't put anything in there, so it's still got the default text in that scene. But yeah, that's it. You can make an interactive fiction in your browser without any hassle whatsoever, really. And if you close that, it opens in a different tab, so you can just close that tab and it will go back to this one. And this all saves in your browser, but if you want to share it, so it actually saves in your browser on your computer. You're not saving any of this online, but you can just go publish file down here, click publish file, and that creates an HTML document that you can just send by email to somebody, and they can just click on it and it will open their browser and they'll be able to play your interactive game. And that's it. And obviously if we made an interactive game but we wanted to do other stuff with it, then obviously I can add code and things and add animations and visuals and all of that sort of stuff. Or we could just test it on here, and then we could use that story to put it into something like Dialogflow and Google Assistant to make a smart speaker interactive story. So anyway, that's it. I hope that was shorter and easier to understand and easier to follow than my last video. See you soon.